you have confidence? How would you define delegation?
How do you think you inspire other employees?
What do you accomplish by joking at work?
What is the relationship between intuition and experience?
Do you consider yourself a creative person?
I consider myself a crazy person, first and foremost. Okay? But part of being crazy means that there's some creativity in there. And where I use it is in trying to build a company. One of the things that's most important to me is that we not be the same as every other company out there, that we not be boring, that we stand for something a little bit more than those who have come before us, because otherwise I might as well just go work for one of those companies.
How do I help other people have a positive attitude? A positive attitude is absolutely crucial in business. Sometimes it's not always feasible. It gets challenging at times, but the positive can-do attitude is contagious, and it's infectious, and it's way more efficient in order to achieve things than having a negative can't-do-it attitude.
I think that the most important part of my job is motivating my team with a positive attitude. If I can leave all the negativity behind and never bring it into my restaurant and help them get through each day by showing them how much I appreciate them as being constructive, then it allows them to feel good about the work that they do.
I think just trying hard is probably the one quality that I would say is probably the best for anybody. Is just put all your effort into it. And that's why you can't be afraid of failing, because you're not always going to succeed, but if you try really hard, you'll feel good about the effort you put in.
How would I find delegation? Delegation is the understanding of how to properly prioritize tasks, whether it's within a day, within a project, within a week, whatever the time frame is, and relating to whatever the project is that you're working on.
Delegation is asking the right person to do the right thing at the right time. It's about prioritizing what needs to be done in your restaurant to accomplish a greater picture and asking the right person to do it in a timely manner.
Creativity comes in all forms, and everybody at Boloco can be creative in their own way. And I think one of the things that I love about Boloco the most is its culture of allowing people to do what they need to do at the restaurant level to make a difference to every guest that walks in the door.
Here's my commitment. My commitment to the people in this company is that they always have a place. If they're good people and they've committed themselves to being here and to doing a good job, right? To giving the best that they've got, my commitment always is that they can knock on my door at any time and I will listen.
So our students in the Learning Center have always been able to communicate in English. However, this year I have seen them progress well beyond even what they thought they were capable of. Their grammar has improved, their ability to ask and answer questions has improved, and just their overall communication with all people has improved tremendously.
My goal in these years is improve my English very well and grow up in this company and have more hours because I like work.
My goals always has been to go to college for technology. I like to work on a computer a lot, so and the only way I can reach my goal is to work hard, reading, study, attend a school.
This program helped me a lot because when I started here, I was afraid when I speak with somebody else.
And now I feel more comfortable to speak anybody.
And I think it can inspire me to do my work much better.
I need to have passion, and if I love my job, I can help my team.
Every day you learn something new, and that experience or that knowledge is going to help you in any way in the future.
I learn new words, new things, more vocabulary, more about this company.
In 5 years, I would like to be in college. I would like to learn another language. I love to learn language.
I would love to have a restaurant, my own restaurant, in 5 years. That'll be my goal.
I want to do nursing course. So my future.
And in 5 years, I want to have my master degree in filmmaking.
Commitment is when you look into somebody's eyes and then you see the bags under their eyes. That's commitment. If you're always tired and walking around like a zombie, that's commitment. That's me right now. No, I'm kidding.